Hello students, today we will learn how to solve assertion reason type of questions. These questions are consist of two parts, assertion and reason, and we will have to choose correct option. If assertion and reason both are true and reason is the correct explanation of A, then we will choose option A. Second possibility is there, assertion and reason both are true, but whatever R is given there, it is not correct explanation of assertion. Then we will choose B. Third possibility is there, A is true, but R is false. Then we will choose C. Fourth option is there, A is false, but R is true. Then we will choose D. Now we will solve some questions which are from chapter 1, chemical reaction and equations. Our first question is, when HCl is added to zinc granules, a chemical reaction occurs. This is adsorption. The reason is given here. Evolution of gas and change in color indicate that the chemical reaction is taking place. When we see both assertion, it is also true, and when we see reason, it is also true. And then here the reason is also correct explanation of assertion given here. That's why we will choose here the option A. So its correct option we will choose here A. Now come on second question. The calcium carbonate when heated gives calcium oxide and water. This is assertion. The reason is given here. On heating calcium carbonate, decomposition reaction takes place. Now we will have to see very carefully assertion and reason both. When we see assertion here, calcium carbonate when heated gives calcium oxide and water. As we know, when calcium carbonate is heated, water is not formed here. It's okay. Calcium carbonate is heated, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is formed. So assertion is wrong here. It's okay. It is false. Now come on reason. On heating calcium carbonate, decomposition reaction takes place. It is true. When we heat calcium carbonate, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So here the assertion is false and reason is correct. So because of that, we will have to choose the correct option here, D. For this we will choose D here. It's okay. Like this, the third question. Our next question is, the chips manufacturers usually rush bags of chips with gas such as nitrogen to prevent chips from getting oxidized. This is assertion. The reason is given here. This increases the taste of the chips and helps in their digestion. It's okay. Now again we will have to read them carefully. Assertion, that is correct. Nitrogen gas or another inert gas is filled to prevent rancidity, to prevent that chips from getting oxidized. So assertion is correct here. Now come on reason. This increases the taste of the chips and helps in their digestion. It's okay. So reason is not correct. So that's why we will have to see which is where it is given in options that assertion is correct but R is false there. So it is in option. It is in C. So for that one we will choose the correct option C. यहाँ पर हम जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं वो सी होता है. इट्स ओके. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an example of exothermic reaction. That is assertion. The reason is given here. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is evolved. See, both assertion and reason. Assertion is correct. It's okay. And the reason, it is also correct. And then whatever reason is given here, it is also the correct explanation of assertion. So because of this one, we will choose here correct option A, because A and R both are correct, and that R is the correct explanation of A. It's okay. Now come on the last question. In a balanced chemical equation, total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. It is assertion. The reason is given here. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical change. As we know, when we balance the chemical equation, we balance the mass of total mass of reactants with total mass of products. Why we do so? Because as we know, mass cannot be created, cannot be destroyed during a chemical reaction. So total mass of reactants and products will remain constant. So when we see here, assertion is also correct and R is also correct, as well as R is correct explanation of A. Again, we will have to choose the correct option A for this question. So in this way, we can solve assertion reason type of questions. Okay.